Today, we're going to be going over the drink that helped me get from this to this. Hey beautiful people! Today we're going to go over each ingredient one by one. Apple cider vinegar helps to suppress your appetite and make you feel fuller longer. Ginger helps to reduce gas and improve digestion. Cayenne pepper can boost your metabolism and it also helps fight hunger. Turmeric helps improve brain function, reduce cholesterol, and is a good source of antioxidants. You'll also need a lemon, which helps fight hunger too, and hot water. Next, you're going to grab your lemon and cut it in half. Go ahead and squeeze all the contents into the cup. Once you're done with that, get your cup and start adding a dash of each ingredient. Depending on how you're feeling, you can go ahead and add a little bit more of whatever you need. For example, this day I was feeling a little bit more bloated, so I did add some more ginger to help with the gas. Now, apple cider vinegar, I like to add 2 capfuls of it into a cup. Sometimes I'll add 3. Now, this drink doesn't taste the greatest, so if you want for sweetness to fight the bitterness, you can go ahead and add stevia drops or honey. Next, we're going to add our hot water. And stir everything up until the particles dissolve. Some people like to take their poison slowly throughout the day, however, I like to just get mine over with and just chug it. It was a little too hot, so I did add some more cold water. If you like this video, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.